your cake, Paul? Where are you going? Is Sasha running away? Let's go. Oh, there she is.
Let's go. Oh, there she is. Upside down Sasha.
Hey, Paul got a little something on. You got a little something on your face.
Paul, I think you have a little something on your face.
A little something. You got a little something.
Luke, are you trying to clean your hands?
You look good.
Was that nice cake? Paul needs a towel. Yeah, Paul needs more than a towel. Maybe we should have done the water park after a cake. Luke is like disturbed by Paul's
messiness.
Paul needs a towel.
This is why they can never share a room.
Yeah, exactly.
Paul will be messy and Luke will be neat.
Hey, Miss Sasha.
Been cleaned up.
Yeah, she's done.
No more evidence. Okay. She's like, let's get this thing.
Yeah?
Luke, why don't you take Luke and wash him up?
Okay, all done. Say bye-bye. Paul, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Paul.
All right.
Bye-bye.